Do you have an ebook that you can offer to potential customers? That's great, because it's the perfect lead magnet and works wonderfully to generate high quality leads. And if you don't have materials like ebooks, white papers, or similar to attract prospects, you should definitely consider creating some. Because with SuperChat, you have the ideal tool to automatically generate strong leads using ebooks and other resources. And it's super easy to do it in just a few clicks within the template I'm about to show you right now. To get to the template, select the Sales and Marketing category from the template gallery and then the template titled Lead Magnet Free Ebook. Here a pop-up will open and you can see the template in action and even try it out yourself via the QR code. To use it for yourself, click the button at the bottom left. Now the automations builder will open and you'll see the automation already fully built for you. Additionally, there is a note element to the left of the automation that shows you what you can use the automation for and how to set it up. We'll go through these steps together now. First, you need to select your WhatsApp account as the communication channel in the first node. You can customize the message content in the next node as you like. This is the keyword that appears pre-filled in WhatsApp for your contacts when they scan the QR code for the automation or click on the link. The next step is the welcome message. Again, you can customize it to suit your needs. Next, we ask for information about the company. After all, we want to have a well-qualified lead before providing the ebook. We have pre-formulated some questions here that will give you relevant information about the company. Feel free to adjust them to your needs. You can also delete entire questions and add new ones. Just remember to reconnect the nodes correctly. At the end of the qualification flow, the leads receive the ebook. To do this, simply upload the corresponding PDF file in the node and adjust the message text so that the context is correct. We offer the lead the opportunity to sign up for our newsletter at the end. This way, we can stay in touch with the lead and continue to improve its quality. To do this, simply select the appropriate contact list in the last node. So, we have now completed all the necessary steps in the automation. You can rename the automation as you like or activate it directly via the button at the top right. To make the automation available, you can copy the link or QR code to the automation after publishing and use it wherever this qualification flow is relevant. For example, it can be the CTA of an Instagram campaign where you want to generate leads. This way, they are automatically directed into a chat with you with the trigger word pre-filled and they just need to send it.